Oh, hi! Welcome back to our vegan kitchen. Did you survive Veganuary? Because we sure did. It was a lot of fun.
It was fun.
We have exciting stuff coming up in 2024, and today is the first one of those. So Maddie got this beautiful cookbook
for Christmas.
For her Christmas. I know, because I got it for her. So, Tabitha Brown, beautiful cookbook. A lot of nice recipes in here. So we said, hey, let's start off post-Veganuary by making a recipe from this cookbook. So
there's a lot of good stuff in there to choose from.
You wanted to make spaghetti squash, but I hate spaghetti squash. So I said, hey, how about this eggplant lasagna? It looks delicious. Yummy. Who could resist lasagna? Not me.
I mean, I'm not the hugest lasagna fan, but...
Who are you? Did you come at me? Anyway, this looks super healthy. A lot of the recipes in here are like salt-free or low salt.
We love that.
Yeah, no vegan cheeses. I mean, some do have vegan cheeses, but this one doesn't. This one, Sean's so excited right now.
Shawnee, you love lasagna, right?
Yes.
Yes. Who else loves lasagna?
What lasagna?
Who loves lasagna? What's the cat's name?
What cat?
Garfield.
Yes.
I think Garfield would even eat this.
Little tweet said, just look what you've done.
All right.
Just look what you've done.
Have a seat, sir. Please. All right. So it looks really good. However, she doesn't give a lot of or any measurements.
Uh-oh.
I feel like the only thing she gives an amount for is the amount of cashews for this.
Well, we're going to have a good time.
Which is fine, because you know what? I'm just going to do my thing anyway.
You always wing it. I'm going to struggle.
I'm just going to wing it. So she gives a suggestion for the lasagna. She says use, of course, eggplant because it's eggplant lasagna. And zucchini and peppers and onions and mushrooms and, of course, her salt-free garlic.
Yeah, we got it.
And for the cheese sauce, it's going to be everyone's favorite nooch. Cashews. I couldn't find plain cashew milk yogurt. I didn't go to the store around here that has it, so I'm winging it with some tofutti sour cream.
Yum. We're going to make it work.
It's close. Even though it says sour cream, it's more of a yogurt. It's a thick-ass sour cream, though, but we'll do our best. And that's pretty much it. So her directions are confusing without the amounts and everything, because it's like, oh, put some of this in here, and then I'm just going to do me today. But thank you for the inspiration, Tabitha. You have a very beautiful cookbook. I encourage everyone to check it out. It's really nice.
Yes.
And I'm going to be cooking more out of this. But let me put this over here for now. All right. So basically, you know the lasagna rules. It's layers. Like an ogre, like an onion. The more you pile it up, the better. So we're going to first make some of the glue that's going to hold the layers together. So we're going to turn on our fry pan. I've already got half my mushrooms in there. Yes, it's excessive. I like a lot of mushrooms.
We like them. We love them.
Maybe it's a good thing that she doesn't give amounts, so I don't feel so bad about putting in an entire package. Not just an entire package from the supermarket. An entire package from a warehouse club.
Sam's Club.
It was actually from BJ's.
BJ's.
Alright, so here's the rest of them.
Oh my god!
Alright, so some of the gross stuff got in there. It's okay though. It's what they grow it in.
Don't let it ruin your day.
Exactly. You're still a good cook. And then also, I know I should have had the pan heat up first, but come on. Also in the instructions, she's like, oh, and grill this, and then put it in, and then grill this, and then put... Tabitha, I don't have 3 hours to make a dinner. So I'm just going to do me. We also have some green peppers. We have some Vidalia onions. Got some mushroom junk on me. All right, so we're going to put these in also. We're going to save our garlic for the fresh garlic anyway for the cheese sauce.
Okay.
Because I want that garlic flavor to go everywhere.
Mm.
We're also going to put in some canned tomatoes. I drained off some of the liquid. We're going to save this until this reduces a little bit.
It's quite full right now.
But why don't you all come back when this is cooked a little bit?
Okay.
Oh, we're back.
Let's see that cute little t-shirt. Love it.
Frog and Toad are friends. They're not afraid to tell each other when to say when.
No.
All right, so as you can see, it's wilting, it's cooking a little bit. This is going to be the fresco sauce. So I've got a giant can of petite diced tomatoes that I've drained because we don't want it to be too wet. So we're going to put that in. And then we're also going to season it because, you know, you're not going to eat a bland-ass sauce, right? So lemon juice is a great substitute for not adding salt. It gives a little bit of a salty flavor because I don't know what the science is, but it does. And then we have our very good garlic. I'm going to put a lot because I like a lot and it's my business.
Mm-hmm.
And some pepper, of course. I would be here for a half an hour cranking out the pepper.
Oh, yeah.
Because I really love pepper. I'm like the one in the chef in Alice in Wonderland. So much pepper with the baby in the kitchen so close to the stove.
Oh my god. That's a throwback.
This is Italian seasoning. Because why not?
Yeah.
This is Italian.
There we go.
This is my Italian. And I'm not going to give measurements because if it's good enough for Tabitha Brown not to give measurements, it's good enough for me. You do you. You know how to make this.
Do we?
I'm putting a little bit of salt, not that much.
Okay.
So I want this to cook down a little bit. So we're going to just keep an eye on it. When it starts looking like mortar, you know, because this is going to hold it together, then you know it's ready.
All right.
So you just probably about 15 minutes tops.
We'll be back.
All right. All right, our sauce is saucing.
Smells good.
Yeah, thank you. You can see it's very wet. You want a lot of this to reduce. You want this liquid to go away because you know what? The eggplants and the zucchini are also going to give off a lot of water when we cook it, and the spinach, there's also spinach in there. So reduce it as much as possible so that it gets a little bit thicker. So while this is cooking / reducing, we're going to make the cheese sauce.
Yummy.
So I've got my Vitamix here. I've got all of the cashews that I have. She said put 2 cups. I only have this much. It's about 1.25 cups, 1.25 cups. We're going to make it work.
And we're back.
Okay. So I'm going to use some non-dairy unsweetened vegan milk. And the first thing we're going to do is grind up the cashews because we want it to be super loosey-goosey first so that everything gets blended nicely, and then we're going to put the drier ingredients in after that. We're also going to throw in the garlic clove.
Ooh.
Well, we might as well throw in a little bit of salt too, because again, we don't want this to be BA, bland ass.
Bland ass.
Yeah, we want only a little bland.
We don't want any bland.
Okay. Okay, daughter. Let's take this over to the blender. Oh.
Wonderful.
Yes. Now let's go back. All right. Beautiful. Smooth. Lovely. Slightly
Yummy.
thick. Oh. We're going to put in a little bit of nooch. This isn't like a nacho cheese, so we're not going to put in a ton because we don't want this to be yellow, particularly. So we're just going to put 2 tablespoons. Oh my God, I gave a measurement. And here's our sour cream, which is supposed to be yogurt.
We're going to go for it.
Yep. Oh, okay. It's pretty thick. So that might help the situation a little bit. I'm going to put like half this container in.
Yum.
Which is only about 300 something calories over the whole lasagna is not going to be terrible.
It's pretty good.
Yeah. So we might have to add more. So I'm going to leave my knife here. Let's blend this up. Oh.
Let's take a look.
Looking good.
Ooh.
Looking creamy. Let's give it a taste though. Because it can look really good, but if it doesn't taste good...
See what that sour cream's got going on.
Yeah, you're going to love that.
Okay.
So this is coming along nicely. You can see it's getting reduced. There's less liquid except for that dam that just broke and all the liquid came out. But this is what is going to hold it all together. Hopefully.
Lovely.
I think we're just going to put that on low while we prep our veggies. All right. We're going to be filling up this giant dish right here.
Whoa.
I know. All right. So the eggplant is going to be slices because it's like the noodles.
Mmm.
So I like to leave the skin on and everything. If you like to peel it, peel it. But we're going to try and cut this as thin as possible. And hopefully we'll have enough to cover the entire dish with one eggplant. So we're doing 2 layers in case you didn't realize. So I have 2 eggplants, 1 per layer. And I have 2 zucchini, 1 per layer. And we're also going to be adding a little bonus spinach in there too.
This is really vegalicious.
It is vegalicious. It's all veggies. Alright, so this is what we're going to do. It's like it's lasagna noodles. We're just going to put it in like that. Then I'm pretty sure you know the story of, okay, put this layer. Then we're going to use the mandolin.
Ooh.
Don't cut your fingers off.
Yes, be super careful.
If you don't have the mandolin, don't worry about it. Just cut it super thin like we did the eggplant. The reason why I don't do the eggplant on there is the eggplant is a lot softer and it gets all...
It'd just be a mess.
Yeah, it's a big mess. So this one...
Oh, look at that.
I know, this is so
Paper
pretty.
thin, daughter.
Paper thin is right. I don't have to tell the paper thin
No.
chicken cutlet story, do I?
No.
Okay. Alright, so you get the idea there. Then we're going to take our fresh spinach, or if you don't have fresh spinach, you can use frozen spinach, or you don't have to use spinach at all. You could not use any other vegetable, or you could use any other vegetable. Oh, come out. Well, it doesn't want to right now, but we're going to do that. We're going to divide it in half. And then we're going to put, I would say a third. So like, make your visual diagnosis here and put a third. And then a third of your cheese sauce. So let me come back when I have the first layer done.
Okay.
Oh yeah, first layer.
Looking good. Are you going to fit another layer in this pan?
Yes. It might not look like it, but once this cooks, it will all flatten out, and like hopefully...
Oh yeah, that spinach especially.
Cement together. So let's get some of this cheese sauce on
Yummy.
here now.
I feel like the sauce is going to add so much.
Oh yeah. So then you know the drill. Another whatever layers, like how many layers are in there? Like eggplant, zucchini, spinach, sauce, cheese. So
It's like
that's
10.
like 5 layers.
Oh yeah, 10 altogether.
And then of course you want to end with a little bit more. Well, we will be ending with the cheese on the top. So 10 layers.
Dang.
10 layers. Can you believe it?
No.
I know. All right. So now next is another eggplant. Obviously, you don't have to make this much.
This is a lot of food.
All right, well, that's the second layer. We're going to top it off with this. I can't believe this all fit in this pan.
Mm-hmm.
I did have a little spinach and zucchini left over because I was like, wait a minute, this is a little ridiculous. But I'm going to do my best here and hope that it doesn't high school volcano in the
Oh, no.
high school science project volcano in the oven.
Yeah.
But the oven is set for 375. I'm assuming this is going to go in for about 35 to 45 minutes.
But we'll let you know after.
Yeah. I'm nervous.
No
we go.
dumpies. You got it, you got it, you got it.
Oh boy, it's heavy.
Is it heavy?
Yeah, it is heavy.
All
Please
right.
don't overflow. Oh boy, it's dinner time.
It is, and it's like an Italian restaurant in here.
Yes, here's the vegan pizza.
Oh, so fluffy and beautiful.
Yes. Sorry, it's aluminum foil. I ran out of parchment paper, so that was a real bummer.
It's okay.
But here's the veggie lasagna out of the oven.
Wonderful.
I have to say, it looks amazing. It smelled amazing while it was cooking.
We tried the sauce before,
Yes.
and holy crap, it was delicious.
Yeah.
So,
Why don't you serve yourself up a wedge there?
I will.
Make sure you cut all the way through so that we can try and preserve, the layers.
Layers. There's a little bit of liquid on the bottom.
Yeah.
But the rest of it,
Yeah.
pretty solid.
Another thing I forgot to mention, do not cover it in the oven.
Okay.
Because it's going to be so wet.
It's like lasagna soup.
Yeah.
We got another test.
Oh, we got
here.
another. Yes. We have Monk Mark.
Why is it so wet? Is it from the mushrooms?
From the
There's spinach,
vegetables.
there's mushrooms, there's
Yeah.
eggplant.
You
Let's
could
take
drink
this.
that liquid.
Smells really good.
Let's see.
Yes.
Right?
Delicious.
Wonderful. Even with the sour cream.
Yeah, you wouldn't know that we didn't have all the right ingredients.
It might be better with the sour cream than it is with the yogurt,
I really
honestly.
like that.
Yeah. It's not too tomatoey. Like, maybe it
No.
won't be so heartburn city for
Well,
you guys.
We'll see.
You guys are triggered by tomato. So,
That was really, really tasty.
oh, wow.
Yeah, it's good.
Did
Thanks,
I hit
Tabitha
a home
Brown.
run?
Thanks, Mom.
You're
yeah,
welcome.
it's very good.
All right.
Ooh, I want to keep eating
Tabitha
it.
Brown's calling. She just texted.
Yeah, right? If only.
Right?
But thank you everyone so much for watching. Let us know if you have Tabitha's cookbook, what your favorite recipes are by her, what we should be trying out. And we hope you're enjoying your week. We'll be back.
Oh.
We'll be back for more soon. So thanks again for watching, and until next time, much love.